guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to repair CCTV video footage with 5 quick fixes. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Now, let's move on to fix this issue. Solution 1. Close and reopen media player. The first solution you can try is to restart your media player. Sometimes the internal glitches and bugs start causing such video playback issues. Therefore, in this situation, close and then restart your media player to fix the error. Solution 2. Repair CCTV video footage with Video Repair Tool. If you are unable to play your CCTV recording due to file corruption, try Video Repair Tool. It fixes corrupted, jerky, pixelated, grainy, out of sync, and other video-related issues and errors. So, just install this video repair on your PC to know how it works. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software. And click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. Solution 3. Download the missing codecs. CCTV video file corruption could be because one or more supported codecs are missing or not installed on your computer. So, download and install the compatible codecs for that particular video. To download codec for Windows Media Player, open Windows Media Player, and go to Tools then Options, then Player. Select the checkbox of Download Codecs automatically, and click OK. Now try to play the video file. Solution 4. Convert the video file format. Then next solution you can try is converting the problematic video format to another file format. However, you can use VLC Media Player to convert the video format. For this, open your video file with VLC Player. Navigate to Media. And then select Convert/Save. Now, click Add to upload input files or stream that needs to be transcoded. Click Convert/Save. Next, in the Convert window, choose a profile setting. And then in the Destination File option. After that, click Browse to provide the location. Then click Start to start the conversion process. Your converted video will be saved at the specified location. Solution 5. Use alternative media players. You can even try playing the problematic video with another media player like VLC Media Player, Real Player, or Hot Player. These media players have broader support for various video formats and codecs, and they may be able to play the video without issues. So, this is all about repairing CCTV video footage. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.